Hey, what is up guys? Have you been in a situation where you're just chilling and driving and BAM! Something happened on the road and you wish you had it all on video. Well, today I'm going to show you how to install a 4K dash camera that has a rear camera and a smartphone app. First things first, the quality of the packaging looks amazing. I know the manufacturer because I've dealt with them before and they really want you to feel you're getting something premium but at a fraction of the cost. So let's see what's inside this impressive box. As compared to other dash cameras, I actually chose a specific model because this is also equipped with the rear dash camera. As soon as we unbox this package, we can find a couple of useful things inside. So these are actually stickers that you can put on your glass so that you can stick your dash camera on them instead of directly on your windshield. And then you also get the user manual for the dash camera. And inside you will find the main dash camera. So looking at the build quality of it, I'm really impressed with how it looks. The finish is amazing and it's all well protected. This also comes with a free 64 GB micro SD. I'm really excited to see how it looks in my 17-year-old Lexus. Moving on, we also get additional supplies with it, such as the power cable. And the power cable includes a USB-C connector, which comes with a 12-volt connector that goes to your car. And it also comes with a rear camera that we can attach it to the back end of the car so we can monitor what's going on in the front as well as at the back. Along with this, we also get 2 sets of 3M stickers and some wire holders, a plastic pry, and an Allen key. Installing this is pretty simple. We just have to mount the front camera on the windshield, and optionally you can also put the plastic sheet that I showed you a couple of seconds ago. You can run the cables along the headliner of the car and you can hide it underneath it and you're good to go. Similarly, the rear camera is even easier. Stick it on your rear window and we're good to go. It's exactly the same process as the front camera. Now let's fire it up and connect it to the app. This is where things get really cool. The app syncs instantly with the dash camera via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and absolutely no other cables required. You can control everything from here, adjust the settings, view the footage, even download clips directly on your phone in real time. And check this out, live view. So if you're someone who loves keeping an eye on things, you can monitor your car's surrounding straight from your phone. Pretty cool, right? But you can only do this if you hardwire the dash camera with your car. And you can separately purchase the hardwiring kit if you're interested to monitor your car overnight. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna keep this simple. Now, this is where the 4K really shines. Look at this footage. The clarity is next level. You can read the license plates, see every detail, and the colors really pop. Whether it's day or night, this thing doesn't miss a beat. And the rear camera footage is also super clear. It's like having a second set of eyes at the back. So this is a footage of driving at night. The dash cam performs really well. Most cameras struggle in low light, but this one holds up real well. So no matter when you're driving, you'll be covered. So is the GKU D600 4K dash camera really worth it? Well, if I factor in the sleek design, app integration, front and rear camera, crystal clear footage, and the price on it, it's really hard to beat those criteria, especially if you want that extra peace of mind on the road. And between you and me, it's probably the best dash camera you can get for this price. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description below. If you've learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Autotech unboxing reviews. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.